Hey everyone, and welcome back to Beach Walk Health Talk. One of the most common things we hear about after turning 40 is a slowing metabolism. It might feel like the rules of the game have changed, and what used to work just doesn't anymore. But the good news is, you have more control than you think. Today, we're talking about 5 powerful ways to boost your metabolism and feel your best after 40. First, prioritize protein. Protein has a higher thermic effect of food than carbs or fats, meaning your body burns more calories just digesting it. More importantly, protein is the building block of muscle. And the more muscle you have, the more calories you burn, even when you're resting. Aim to include a good source of protein with every meal. Think lean meats, fish, eggs, beans, and legumes. Second, embrace strength training. This is non-negotiable after 40. As we age, we naturally lose muscle mass, which is a primary driver of a slower metabolism. Lifting weights, using resistance bands, or even doing bodyweight exercises like push-ups and squats 2 to 3 times a week sends a powerful signal to your body to build and maintain that metabolically active muscle tissue. It's the single most effective thing you can do to keep your metabolic engine running strong. Third, don't be afraid of high-intensity interval training, or HIIT. This involves short bursts of all-out effort, followed by brief recovery periods. Think sprinting for 30 seconds, then walking for a minute and repeating. HIIT is incredibly efficient at burning calories and can elevate your metabolism for hours after your workout is over. You don't need to do it every day. Just once or twice a week can make a huge difference. Fourth, stay hydrated. Every single process in your body, including your metabolism, requires water to function properly. Even mild dehydration can cause your metabolism to slow down. Keep a water bottle with you throughout the day and sip consistently. Sometimes what we think is hunger is actually thirst, so drinking enough water can also help with managing your appetite. Finally, get enough quality sleep. This is the foundation for everything. When you're sleep deprived, your body's hormones get out of whack. Cortisol, the stress hormone, goes up, which can lead to fat storage, especially around the belly. And your appetite-regulating hormones get disrupted, making you crave sugary, high-calorie foods. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night to keep your metabolism and your whole body in balance. So there you have it. It's not about fighting your body, but working with it. By prioritizing protein, building strength, adding in some intensity, staying hydrated, and getting your sleep, you can absolutely keep your metabolism humming along. Thanks for joining me on the walk today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more health tips. See you next time.